Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Amigabelli Decorative Garden Fence. With its thick iron frame and black powder-coated finish, this heavy-duty garden fence is as durable as it is stylish, earning the top spot on this list. Each panel measures 44 inches high and 36 inches wide, and the fencing comes in packs of 2 or 4 to suit your needs. The panels feature a lattice pattern with decorative leaves at the top, making it an attractive addition to your outdoor space. The design is simple enough that it won't take away from the true stars of any garden, your flowers and vegetables. Featuring an elegant, arched design, this decorative fence will add plenty of style to your garden. Unlike black and silver options, the green color allows it to blend in unobtrusively with any yard. Made of iron with a vinyl PVC powder-coated finish, it's weather-resistant and rust-proof to ensure durability. And with each panel measuring 32 inches high and 10 inches wide, it will effectively contain flowers and plants of various sizes. Thanks to interlocking panels, this garden fence is easy to set up and requires no additional tools. It has spiked feet that can be inserted into the ground without any digging. This fencing is temporary, which means it can be disassembled or moved with little effort when needed. Our second best garden fence is Erva Bunny Barricade. These mesh cylinders from Erva are perfect for creating a protective barrier around plants, vegetables, and shrubs. Made of metal with a vinyl coating, these cages are sturdy and durable. They have a black finish, which makes them fairly inconspicuous in a garden. Thanks to a hook closure, they can be easily wrapped around a plant up to 12 inches in diameter. Erva Bunny barricades are sold in packs of 3, 5, or 10 inch. They are significantly pricier than many other options, which is surprising because they are fairly basic in design. Made of metal construction and vinyl coating which keep each unit protected from the elements. The anchors keep the cages secured to the soil. Durable and reliable that can be used for a long period of time. Install the Erva Bunny barricades with ease, easy to connect and wrap around your plants. The hook closure allows each to wrap around a plant up to 12 in diameter. Connect 2 or more barricades together to fully surround a larger plant. According to reports, these cages are effective at keeping out rabbits, groundhogs, and other small critters. Since they are only 13.5 inches tall, however, larger animals like deer can reach right over them. The cages are easy to install and each unit includes 4 metal anchors to secure it in the soil. Third in our list is Yahitech Decorative Garden Fence. These iron fence panels from Yahitech can be connected to form various shapes such as an octagon, square, and rectangle. If you find you need more gardening space, they can easily be expanded to create more room. The panels also come in an impressive selection of sizes 15 options to choose from to suit a variety of needs. The panels are black with a curved design, adding a modern flair to your yardscape. The openings are small enough to deter rabbits, dogs, and other small animals. According to some reports, however, a few determined animals have managed to get through. If deer are a problem in your yard, consider purchasing a panel that's 8 feet or higher so they can't jump over it. This temporary garden fencing is easy to install with no tools required, and it can be removed as needed. This folding fencing can be disassembled into a flat and compact size for easy storing when not in use. Flat packing size is also convenient to transport. This flower garden border fencing features stylish look, which will add a modern touch to your garden, patio or yard and more delights to your life. Number 4 in our best garden fence list is Aosheng Decorative Garden Fence. The classic arched design adds a modern touch to your garden, backyard, front yard, patio or yard. Black rust-proof coated garden wire is welded with thick wire, strong and durable. Your garden, backyard, Front yard, patio, or yard will look more contemporary thanks to the traditional arched shape. The ornamental garden fence has 10 panels, each measuring 24 inches tall by 13 inches wide, and is made of thick wire that is black rust-proof coated garden wire. It takes 10 feet to connect them all. Use Aosheng fencing to deter small animals from eating your plants. It may not prevent huge canines from ruining your garden with their constant digging, but it will serve as an additional barrier. Assembled by screwing the pointed feet into the fence. These no-dig metal fence panels can be cleverly connected via an interlocking design.
Expand into different shapes depending on your use, a straight line, L, O or zigzag shape.
And it can be easily removed and stored in a garden shed, garage or storage room. Our last pick is Nanonartoso decorative garden fence. This black metal garden fence border is tall fencing with single panel size of 24 inch high by 13 inch wide, 20 panels in total. The whole length is 22 feet long. These wire fence panels can be extended to different shapes according to your special uses of path edging. Perfect for your beautiful garden, yard and patio. Give your garden a new look with this Nanonartoso garden fence with 20 fence panels. Made from metal, this fence bundle is a blend of beauty and function, making it perfect to add to your garden's allure. This beautiful powder-coated and weather-resistant garden gate and fence is available with an anti-rust promise, making it perfect for those looking for a fence that will last a long time. Each panel could be connected easily with connecting ring and hook. To assemble, simply insert the stakes into the ground. Hassle-free for your home projects. Attachable decorative garden fencing for garden, perfect to be used as outdoor garden fence, iron garden fence, animal barrier, vegetable garden fencing, path edging fence, garden border fencing, folding fencing, patio landscape fencing, garden fencing for dogs, yard fence, flower bed section. Nanonartoso patio steel picket fencing is foldable and folds flat for easy storage. This garden fence barrier is movable and removable.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!